arty friends. I'm just having a quick look through my rag art journal, just having a look at the paintings that I've already done and just flipping through and having a look. Some of these you might remember. Any of these are your favourites, just let me know. And yeah, I'm going to be adding another painting today. The colours we're using are cobalt blue, sap green light, rose madder deep and cadmium orange. These are out of the KURETAKE range, the KURETAKE watercolour range, but you can use any watercolours, so don't worry that you haven't got these. These are just the colours that I like to use, the paints that I like to use. So I've got a round brush and I am just going to add these sort of branches onto the page. I thought that'd be fun, just adding some lines there. And then I've gone into the green and we are going to be adding some leaf shapes. So just adding them onto those branches, just coming around in a sweeping motion. Really, really easy with a round brush. You just sort of more or less follow the brush marks and it creates this leaf pattern. If you sort of squash that brush onto your page, it leaves these lovely marks. So filling the branches up with the leaves, and I'm just going with the flow. I'm not quite sure what kind of picture it's going to be. Once I started this, I was just like, oh, this is what I want to do. I just want to add some leaves onto a branch that I've put down on the page. So just continuing filling up and adding all of those lovely leaves. So then once I've put all my lovely leaves on, then I grabbed, oh, I'm just finishing off there. I've just got one there. Just thought, oh, yeah, let's add another one there. And then I'm adding a flower shape. So this is in the blue and just adding and just bringing out the paint, putting like a little center in and then adding these sort of, they look a little bit like lily kind of shapes. And then adding them on there. You can see the lovely texture of the paper here. Really nice and rough, and it really sucks up the water, so you need to keep going, getting your paint and adding some water to it, because this rag journal, well, it just really loves the water. So going around adding my lovely shapes onto the page there, not worrying too much about it, just finding the spaces and looking at the page. If you sort of like stand back, look at your page, you can see where those spaces are that need a little bit more blue. Sort of squint your eyes and you can see. So I've grabbed the cadmium orange now and I thought, well, that'd be nice, just add some little round circles. Again, standing back, having a look at the page and seeing what spaces I've got and trying to make sure that we've got orange in each and every area. So adding all of this lovely orange there, just swooping my round brush round, adding the lovely colour, and it's a really nice rich deep colour that. I love the KURETAKE paints because of the colours that they offer, and they really layer really well and they leave a sort of thick mark. They're almost sort of gouache. You know, they're slightly different from your regular watercolour paints. So once I've added all my lovely orangey yellow kind of marks there, then I decided, well, we need to add some red. So using the shape of the brush and flattening it out, we are going to add some star shapes. Again, squinting eyes, having a look, where do I need a little bit of red? Let's find the spaces. And as you get further into this page, the spaces become smaller and smaller. So you can see here, you're filling up the bigger spaces first, adding your marks, and it's just filling that page there. It gets a little bit tight in places, so you just add your little petals, slightly smaller, as you go along. So you may just want to leave your picture at this stage. You may think to yourself, well, I really like that. That was really enjoyable. But I was so in the moment, I thought, right, let's grab my squeezy bottles with acrylic paint in them. And I love these bottles. I know some of you have got them. And they are really fun to use. It feels a little bit like drawing with a pen because you're sort of gently squeezing the paint out and it's leaving a finer line than you would get with the tip of a paintbrush. So you can sort of draw with these, which is really fun to use. So I'm just adding some leaf shapes onto the page. I thought that would be fun, just continuing round, adding some shapes there, gently squeezing the paint out and adding this lovely mark making. So you can see it here in a little bit more detail. The camera is at a better angle, so you can see that there. I'm just bringing it up there and adding some marks there. So I hope you like this. If you like this, please like, subscribe and hype. And if you've got time, please leave me a comment. I love hearing from you, love hearing whether you're going to do this, what kind of art you're into, what colours you might use. I find it really, really interesting. And I always watch out for the comments. I don't think there's one comment that I've missed, and I will come back to you. If you've got any questions, please ask. And again, I will try and answer. So I decided that the orange marks were feeling a little bit lonely, that they do look a little bit like berries now looking at them there. But I thought, no, let's add some little flower marks on to these berries. So they've turned from berries into flowers just because having fun and just wanted to continue. You know, when you're in that moment and you don't want your painting to stop and it's all a little bit like, oh, I'm coming to the end now, I was enjoying myself. Well, sometimes I just carry on and sometimes I go a little bit over the top, but that's fine. You're sort of lost in the moment having a bit of fun. So you can let me know in the comments when you think I should have stopped. I don't mind at all. So if you think, well, you should have stopped at the painting, you shouldn't have carried on with this mark making, that's fine. Just let me know. I'd just be interested to hear what your thoughts are on the matter. So I have got a members page and there is a join button below, and you can have a look. If you press that join button, it will show you what's on offer there. And you could be a supporter or a super supporter. A super supporter means that you get videos first and also you get members only videos. Don't worry if you press that join button, you won't be committed at that point. You can have a look and see whether it's for you, and then you can come back out. So don't worry that pressing that join buttons means that you've joined and that's it. It isn't so. Okay, so then I decided that I was going to do some leaves behind some of the leaves. Just wanted to fill up that white page really. So a little bit more mark making there. And then I thought, well, I think I've filled up the page enough. So just bringing that up so you can see the lovely detail, and you can see my lovely bottles of paint there and the colours I've used. See you soon. Bye.